Hello, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another episode of You Can't Make This Shit Up, the tale of two returns. You asked for it, and now here it is, man. Another episode of You Can't Make This Shit Up. You know, I get people asking for these all the time via comments. We're at the racetrack racing with Moto America. People stop by, talk about these videos and the series and laugh and ask for more. So here you go, dude. The tale of two returns. You're looking at the packages on the counter, and I guarantee you're probably like, oh, bro, look at the Amazon Prime package there. That one's the shit show. Well, let me assure you, that couldn't be further from the truth. In this box, we have a set of Drib-On clip-ons that were returned. For whatever reason, customer chose not to use them. And they were packaged like this with some material in there so they didn't bang around and get fucked up. But it's missing the box that they came in and the instructions. Okay, bummer, can't resell them as new. We sent an email to the customer. His name is Trevon. And I want to open up with this. A lot of order history here. Great customer. You, my friend, are the customer everybody wants. And thank you very much for shopping with us at Sportbike Tracker. From us to Trevon. Per the email you were sent when your return was approved, we try to help everyone understand exactly how this has to go to remove any possible issues in the future. All you have to do is read it, follow the instructions, and everything's going to go perfectly. But sometimes people miss shit. It happens. Items must be returned in the exact way they were received. All hard parts, including exhaust, must be new, uninstalled, and have all original manufacturer's packaging. All items and their packaging must be in resaleable condition. The driven clip-ons you returned to us were missing the box, stickers, and instructions. See attached photo. Do you by chance have the box, part number, stickers, instructions? We need those to resell to another new customer. Please let us know. Thanks, and thank you for your business. Response. Unfortunately, I disposed of the box. My apologies for wasting your time and not heeding the instructions properly. Shit happens. We all make mistakes. What is the next course of action? Thank you. Yeah, I take accountability. Once again, man, you're the customer everybody wants. Thanks for being that. Rick sees that. Rick appreciates that. Responds, I've reached out to my guy, Driven, to source a new box and instruction sheet. He's going to be able to accommodate us. So we're going to get this taken care of for you. You're going to get your refund in the future. Please keep all the packaging in case you end up changing your mind and need to return something. Have a great weekend. Thanks for your business. What more could you ask for, right? This is the guy everybody wants shopping with them. Great customer. Thank you very much. Now, here's the difference. And before I get into this one's irritating. I don't even know that this video is going to be funny, but I know that I'm irritated. And I like to turn the frown upside down. I like to find a way to make the negative into a positive. So how am I going to do that in this case? How am I going to make myself feel better about this? I'm going to make myself feel better by getting to laugh at myself, hopefully. People comply with this and want to engage. And I'm going to give this helmet away to somebody. I want to make somebody happy. They can ride around in it and think about how awesome we are over here. How are we going to do that? Well, first, let's talk about the return. So we get this shark helmet back. You know, we've already shown you. We're here to work with you, man. We are on your team. All we ask is that you be on our team. Right? Team players, both of us, and everything's going to be perfect. Right? You'll be able to return this and just get a refund and move on with your day. In this case, the guy is going to get a refund and somebody's going to get a free helmet. So he sends it back like this. Well, she's upside down in there. You know, like there's padding on the top and everything that would help protect it. You know, here's the bag that comes on the helmet when the helmet's put in the bag that's nice and padded in the appropriate direction, which would be the bottom down. It's very clear, right? It's super logical. So unfortunately, what happened here is this. Because it was sitting in the thing upside down, it didn't have the protection it should have had, it cracked off the top of the vent. Not on us, man. We certainly didn't send it out that way. Rick put this in a little baggie, some broken little vent right there. It's a nice helmet, good looking helmet, size small. This is very important. William, the helmet you returned to us was put in the carrying bag upside down, which ended up causing one of the corners of the top vents to break off. Photos attached. This probably could have been prevented by having the bag on the helmet, then placing the helmet upright in the carrying bag that has a padded top. Unfortunately, we cannot resell this as new to another customer. I took this to my boss, that'd be me, who said we can either charge you a 30% restocking fee or we can just send the helmet back to you. Please let us know how you'd like to proceed. Probably already gathered he wasn't as easy to work with as the other guy. 30% is atrocious. Fucking helmet's broken, bro. The package handlers are at fault for the issue. Oh, and not the person that put the fucking helmet in the wrong way, right? And didn't bother to put the other bag on top of it. Not that person. You're not going to tell me this item is depreciated by 30%. Once again, see the spot where it's fucking broken. Tell your boss he can go back and forth with the bank. Have a good day. Well, out of all that, one thing I can tell you that I appreciate is he did encourage me to have a good day. And I'm working on that right now. This is a size small. Shark Race R Pro. Good looking graphic, right? Shark makes some amazing helmets. We have a Shark size chart on our website. I encourage you, if you're going to participate in this, to please use the size chart to make sure the helmet's going to fit you, okay? So here's what I want to do. I want to laugh at myself. I'm going to leave this open for 1 week, okay? I'm assuming Tom gets this edited today and gets it up. I hope. We'll see if his skills are up to the task, okay? So that would be next Friday. I would pick the winner. I want you to do a parody video making fun of me. Maybe making fun of the You Can't Make This Shit Up series. Do whatever you want. Do a funny install, but you have to make me laugh. And whoever makes me laugh the hardest, right, wins the helmet. I'll even pay to ship it to you, man. I'm going to turn that frown upside down. Good luck.